warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma sholli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. I respect the caretaker of the Islamic boarding school Zainul Hasan Genggong, Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakkil Allah SHMM. I respect the chancellor of the Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic University, namely Mr. Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BAMAG. I respect the head of the PAI study program, namely Mr. Humaydi MPD. I respect the lecturer who teaches English courses, namely Miss Ririn Fatmawati SSMLE. Here I'm Islamiyatul Ula presenting a PPT to fulfill the UAS assignment to English courses. Here I will present about relative pronoun. Where in the discussion about relative pronoun, there are three discussions that will be discussed. Namely, 1. Meaning of relative pronoun, 2. Function of relative pronoun, 3. Types of relative pronoun. The first, namely, 1. Meaning of relative pronoun. Relative pronoun or connecting pronoun are words to connect relative clauses with other nouns or pronouns. These relative clauses provide this additional information the nouns to which it refers. Example, the book that I'm reading is interesting. Buku yang sedang saya baca itu menarik. The car which I bought is red. Mobil yang saya beli berwarna merah. I understand two function of relative pronoun. The function of a relative pronoun is to introduce a relative clause that provide additional information about a nouns or noun pairs. Relative pronouns such with that, who, and whom link the dependent clause to the main clause and help to clarify or the noun they refer to within a sentence. They can also serve as conjunction to combine parts of a sentence. There are two relative functions of pronouns, including the following. 1. Connecting clauses. Relative pronouns combine two clauses, one with the main idea and another that provides additional information about something in the first clause. This additional information is called a relative clause. Example, the book which I borrowed from you is fascinating. Buku yang saya pinjam dari Anda sangat menarik. Refer back to a noun. A relative pronoun refers back to a noun or other pronoun in the first clause called an antecedent. Relative pronoun describe or establish something about antecedents.